Hey there, popcorn lovers! Are you ready to embark on a journey of flavor and fun? Are you ready to take your popcorn game to the next level? Because we have something truly special for you today. Well, you're in for a treat. Literally. Imagine the joy of munching on the most delicious popcorn you've ever tasted. Click the link in the description below to get an exclusive discount at the Popcorn Factory. This is your golden ticket to popcorn paradise. Now let's talk about why you absolutely need this deal. It's not just about saving money, it's about elevating your entire snacking experience. Picture this. You're settling in for a movie night, and you've got that perfect, fluffy, buttery, crunchy popcorn by your side. The kind that makes every movie moment even more memorable. You know, the kind that makes your taste buds dance with joy. But wait, what's missing? The magic touch of gourmet flavors. Oh, right! The Popcorn Factory's gourmet popcorn. It's not just a snack, it's an experience. The Popcorn Factory isn't just any popcorn. It's the creme de la creme of popcorn. Each kernel is crafted to perfection. It's the creme de la creme of popcorn. We're talking about the highest quality ingredients and the most delightful flavors. We're talking flavors that range from classic buttery goodness to decadent chocolate drizzle, savory cheese blends, and even exotic spices. And even sweet caramel corn that'll make you say, "Oh, my popcorn." And guess what? There's a flavor for every craving and every occasion. You can get all these amazing flavors at a discount. Yes, you heard that right. This is your chance to indulge without breaking the bank. Yes, you heard that right. By clicking the link in the description below, you can snag a special promo code that'll save you some serious cash.